Carbon monoxide is known as the silent killer, and according to the U.S. CDC, it claims the lives of more than 400 Americans every year, and this does not count incidents from fires or intentional exposure. But the colorless and odorless gas leads to thousands of hospitalizations a year as well. Good evening and thanks for being with us tonight. I'm Brian Yacono. Amanda Hill has the day off. Tonight, it is believed that 4 people died in a New Hampshire home on Christmas Day from carbon monoxide poisoning. Several law enforcement agencies in New Hampshire right now are investigating what happened there. News Center Maine's Ryan Wooten went to East Wakefield today and says neighbors are stunned about hearing the news.
They're not close friends, just neighbors. The unspoken rule, neighbors keep watch of each other, now means more to Ron and Winona Bernard than it ever did before.
This just like the 4 of us right here in these houses, and yeah, it's very disturbing. I had a hard time going to sleep last night.
Winona and Ron spent Christmas Day in Wells, Maine with their son and family. Wednesday evening, as she and Ron were heading back to their home in East Wakefield, New Hampshire, Winona got a call from one of her neighbors. Her neighbor was letting her know that something was going on at the home tucked in the trees across the way. When they arrived home around 8:30 p.m., they could see that 2962 Province Lake Road was a full-on investigation scene.
Never ever would have dreamt something like that would happen.
According to the New Hampshire Fire Marshal's Office, Wakefield Police Department responded to the home around 4:21 p.m. on Christmas Day to conduct a welfare check. That's when they found 4 people deceased in the home. Wakefield Police and Fire Department, as well as the New Hampshire's Fire Marshal's Office, are still completing a joint investigation. But investigators say they believe carbon monoxide filled the home, killing everyone in it. A sad story that neighbors carry the burden to tell.
At least with a fire happening, you get the smoke that's going to warn you. But with that, you don't know. I guess that's why they call it the silent killer.
In East Wakefield, Ryan Wooten, News Center, Maine.
And the neighbors tell us it's unclear whether those people who died lived in the home or if they were short-term renting. The New Hampshire Fire Marshal's Office has not released the names for those individuals. They are urging everyone to make sure you have a working carbon monoxide alarm at your home. It's also recommended if that alarm goes off, you leave the building immediately and then call 911.